Ever wondered why power lines near the power grid hum? That sound, often called the corona effect, happens when high-voltage electricity creates a strong electric field around the wires. If the field gets intense enough, it ionizes the air around the lines, making it partially conductive. This process causes tiny electrical discharges, producing the familiar buzzing or humming noise. Several factors can make the hum more noticeable. Higher voltages create stronger electric fields, increasing the sound. Weather conditions like rain, fog, or humidity amplify the effect by making the air more conductive. Even the condition of the power lines plays a role. Damaged or aging lines may hum louder. While the sound might seem mysterious, it's a natural byproduct of high-voltage transmission and is generally harmless. For more electrifying facts, don't forget to subscribe.